Hey guys, how's it going? Thad here with Iowa Budget RC, and I think it's time to try this Futaba attack system out and see if it works. You guys remember the days when these controls took 8 double A's? That's a lot. Side note, get these if you have an Aldi's near you, get these batteries. They're awesome. I really like the Aldi batteries. And I do have the cover for it sitting right here. Wanted to show you I made this plug. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we're gonna try it and see. It definitely goes into that side, but I think the prongs might have to be squeezed or filed on a little bit to get them to fit down in there properly, but this should work for my tests. So I'm going to get the battery cover on this thing and get a battery hooked up here in the Blackfoot and see if we can make some noise. Alright guys, got a battery hooked up, got the radio ready to go, so we're going to turn that on. Battery indicators indicating full. Now we're going to turn that switch on. And so far we got nothing. Let's switch the other way. Still got nothing. So I think my plug might not be working the best here. What does that say? So up should be on. And it should be drawing power from the battery, and I shouldn't need the battery pack. I think the fuse is good, but we're not doing anything here, so going to have to do a little investigating. I may have to modify this plug a little bit, but first attempt, and we still don't know. I mean, Will gave me this, but I think it's been years since it's been used, so we don't know for sure if that is any good. So yeah, you know what, I think I am going to need a battery pack, because there is no indication on this that it's a BBC system. So got to have something to power up that and that. So I'm gonna find a battery pack and hook that up and see if that works. Alright guys, so what I ended up doing here was the battery pack is down in here for the receiver battery power. I ended up, I put a JST end on here. I just made this jumper wire. Put a JST end on here that is male, and then the 2 male prongs to go down into the receiver plug there. And I did pretty much the same thing for the ESC. I made a jumper that goes from the ESC plug to the female style ESC plug, and then the 3 wires that go down there. So that should work. I'll get everything all zip tied together once I put some batteries into that pack. I wanted to make sure that that battery pack would fit down in there like it was supposed to and whatever. But yeah, we're gonna make this thing work yet. Alright guys, well, the Blackfoot saga continues. I've got steering now, but I still have no throttle, and so I don't know what's up with that. Also, when I had it flipped over and was putting the batteries in the battery pack, and this battery, the dang shock mount for the rear shock broke. So I guess I'll order up some of those. But yeah, Blackfoot Saga continues. So since I'm replacing those, I might as well tear the front back apart, because I do have new uprights for the front, and but I'm still puzzled as to why I don't have throttle. Well, the speed control saga continues. I pulled the fuse out and checked it. Fuse is good. I cleaned the prongs with my pocket knife, and so now we've got steering. We got reverse. Working some of that new grease through there. It's pretty proportional. Motor's not getting hot. I do smell brushes. Got reverse. So I think if we take this thing out and run it a little while, it'll be fine, but I'm probably not going to be able to do that until we get the shock tower fixed there. So I also just realized I forgot to put my support on the back body mount and stuff like that. So the saga continues, but it's getting closer. We now have steering, we now have throttle. So, and it's wired in the correct direction also. So we're getting there. Anyway, I'm going to call that an episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.